The mounts are located at the rear of the engine compartment on both sides of the air intake tubes indicated by the red arrows. You will need to remove the engine cooling fans, rear wing, and rear bumper cover to replace them. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. The wiring connections for the mounts are difficult to access while in place, but there is enough slack in the cables to be able to remove the mounts enough to access each connection, red arrow. Right side is shown here. The 991.2 has a redesigned oil pan made from plastic, red arrow. Do not attempt to support the engine with just a jack. Place a sturdy piece of wood at least as large as the oil pan to support the weight, and then jack up the motor until it is only supporting the weight of the motor. Looking under the vehicle, you can see an 18mm nut on the lower section of the engine carrier, red arrow. Working under the car, loosen and remove the 18mm nut that holds the mount to the engine carrier. Both can be accessed with an extension and deep socket. Make sure the engine is well supported before attempting this and check as you go. Always replace one mount at a time. With the engine supported and the nut removed, you can remove the two E12 torque bolts on the mounts, red arrows. Lift the mounts from the chassis. While we have removed other components for photographic purposes, you do not need to remove other things. You can lift the mounts enough to use a small screwdriver and release the clip on the wiring connection and separate it from the mount, red arrow. Now is a good time to clean the mount, red arrow, and the engine support, blue arrow. Installation of the mounts is the reverse of removal. If you live in a four-season climate, put a little anti-seize on the threads. This will help prevent corrosion. Torque the 18mm nuts to 86 Newton meters or 63 foot-pounds, and the E12 bolts to 37 Newton meters or 27 foot-pounds. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.